Good afternoon, everybody, and happy Sunday. I'm shooting this from my home office here. Apologize for the t-shirt. This is just how I work 7 days a week. And, on Sundays when after I'm finished with my family lunches and everything else that I have, then I sit down for a few hours and I do some work. So I just like to stay as comfortable as possible in a t-shirt. So here I am. As I said in the video, this is Sunday and I'm working. And that should be what you expect when you hire a lawyer. I've got friends that own big businesses, non law firms, and they always tell me, Matt, you're the owner of one of the largest criminal defense, if not the largest criminal defense law firm in the entire state. You got a total of 10 lawyers that work at your office. Why are you always working? And I tell everyone this if you hire our office, you're going to receive the best possible representation, better representation than any other law firm in the state of Arizona. And I didn't get to where I am in life. I didn't get to where I have this practice of our notoriety and the reputation that we have by not working. So I love my job. I love what I do. And when you work 7 days a week, nothing falls through the cracks. And this is how I can assure that our lawyers are doing what they're supposed to be doing. This is how I can assure our paralegals are doing what they're supposed to be doing. This is how I can set the tone for the rest of my staff to let them know what they should be doing. And I promise you, most, if not all, of my lawyers are also working from home today. Very important for me to let everyone know. This past week, we had two lawyers leave our office, very, very young guys with a couple years' experience to go out on their own. And, and this is what I tell everyone when they're calling around and trying to find a law firm that best suits their needs. Be very careful and cautious of the attorneys who are working for themselves and they don't have an established law firm. They work from home. They have shared office space. They don't have any receptionists. They don't have paralegals. They don't have support staff. They don't have the same resources that we do. And when you hire our office, you're hiring a law firm. That means we have resources. That means we have processes. That means we have all the way down from our receptionists to our legal assistants to our office managers to our paralegals to our 10 lawyers that we have a team of people working for you and behind you at all points in time. So we probably represent 1,200 clients a year, plus or minus, for various types of criminal cases. But half of our clients happens to be DUI related. And so why I think it's DUI is because it's just a very common crime that people get charged with is DUI. And so why I'm shooting this video is I just want to let people know that when you hire us, you're hiring a law firm who has been doing this since 2010, who has handled thousands and thousands of DUIs, who knows the system, who knows the process, who we're in court all day, every single day. And so we've got from the second you call us for the free consultation, we're going to walk you through exactly what we can do on your file. Okay? We're not going to sugarcoat anything. We're not going to give you a false sense of hope. What we're going to do is really, really tell you how we're going to investigate the case. Investigation is key. Without investigation, you're not getting your case dismissed or reduced. The story that you tell us at the beginning or during the consultation, it's going to be a little bit helpful to us, but it's not going to be the deciding factor. As soon as you give us the green light on your file, we're rolling up our sleeves, we're getting involved with the case, we're getting the police report, we're getting the calibration logs, we're getting the video, we're interviewing the police officer, we're getting, if it's a blood test, we're getting the second vial of blood retested. If it's a breath test, we're looking at radio frequency interferences and calibration records. We're helping with the motor vehicle division. We're preventing you from getting your license suspended. So we're doing all of this on day one of being hired. We're going to put you into our system. Once we get you into that system, we're going to start collecting all the evidence. We're going to be doing the investigation. We're going to be dotting all the I's and crossing all the T's and looking for specific ways we can get your DUI dismissed. So if you've been charged with a DUI in any city within the state of Arizona, we've been to all of the cities, okay? Our home office is in Tempe, but we got hired twice yesterday for Prescott DUIs. We're getting hired later today for a Tucson DUI. We handle probably more Lake Havasu cases than any other law firm in Arizona. But we're doing DUIs all day, every day. We know them like the back of our hand. And because of which, it's going to increase the odds and the probabilities of you getting your case dismissed or reduced. It's also really important that I keep up with these YouTube videos because I do all types of advertising. We do a lot of online advertising, but I've also run billboards in the past, a lot of billboards within Maricopa County. But I can't tell you how many people come to me and they say, hey, Matt, we watched your YouTube videos. you seem you're knowledgeable. You know what you're talking about. You seem like a good person to work with, and I'm going to let you know what you see is what you get. Even though I'm the owner of the office, I'm at the office every day. I'm very accessible. I'm going to treat you with respect. I'm going to treat you as if you're my friend or my family member, and we're going to get you through this process together. So if you call us, right, and you want a free consultation because you or your family member have been charged with a DUI, tell our receptionist, hey, I saw Matt's YouTube video and I want to talk to him directly. Just so our phone number is 602-980-1987. I'm going to put them at the bottom of the screen here. But I mean, when I say it, when you give us the opportunity to help you, we're going to help you. So 602-980-1987. We look forward to hearing from you. We look forward to having the opportunity to help you with your DUI.